Hello everyone, this is V Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video and welcome to those who are new as well. I've made a 3D MemoryDex card. I'm a guest on Sophia and Armin's collaboration. Sophia is Paper Sweets. I will have her linked below, and Armin is Happy Mail Queen, and I will have her linked below as well. So they have a collaboration right now together, and I am one of their guests for the week. So the week theme is 3D MemoryDex, and so this is what I created. I initially wanted to create a 3D haunted house. However, a week ago or so, someone else already had made it. So I decided not to go that route. I almost made a pumpkin, a 3D pumpkin, and decided not to go that route as well. Then I was gonna make a truck, and I think someone already had made a truck, so I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna make something myself. So I came up with this. It is Christmas Eve, I believe, in the scene, and this is where Jack steals Christmas. And so this is, I made the sleigh. The coffin is an SVG file. I did modify the file to look like the coffin from the scene. I also added some sleigh rails, and this is from another SVG file that I had already in my list in my files. And so I decided to use that part. I also modified it as well. And if you turn here, this is the bag. I wasn't able to make a 3D garbage can because this was already more than 4 inches wide, and I did not want that to happen. So I just put a little bag there. This is a SVG file as well that I used, and I will have it linked below. The bat is a Inloveart shop die. I will have it linked below. The characters, of course, Jack, the deer, and then Zero. These are all Google images that I got and modified it in my Silhouette program. And so these bats right here are from the Whimsy stamps, I believe it's called. Yeah, I will have that linked below as well. I put chain around it. Chain is from Amazon. If I can find it, I will have it linked below, because this chain, I picked it up last year, so hopefully I can find it. I don't know if you can see on the eyes, but the eyes have diamond dots on all of them. They all have diamond dots, and if you can see in the back right here, there's a cloud, and it's just vellum. I apologize for the knocking. That's my son. So Jack is a bobblehead, and I use those wobble thingies, these right here. So this is what I use. And then this is the image I used for Jack right here. And I also used another image for his head. So I did that. I put it like this, and I put the bobble on behind this one. So on the back of this one, and then I added it there, and then I colored it with some alcohol markers. And then the paper for the coffin is from Micheal's. It's a Recollections, and if you can see right here, I did stitch everything, so everything has been stitched. The sides have been stitched as well. I added some eyelash trim on the bottom. I also stitched the back of the image, or the coffin, and so the background paper is the Boo Crew collection, and I also inked it, so I made it a little darker, and I made sure that the moon was right there, because it's the paper is moons and bats, and it's on a gray sky, and so I went ahead and inked it, make it darker, and made sure the moon was there. And then in the back you can see that there is little jack-o'-lantern peeking out. That's for Micheal's. I made this one right here. It's a Google image, and then I just colored the paper with some alcohol markers. And I make sure I don't forget anything. I did add jump rings to the neck, and I really wanted to do a process video on this, but this is my first 3D SVG file. I do play with 3D images all the time and make 3D projects, but this first 3D MemoryDex card. So I did run into some snags and some trouble here and there, and as you can see right here, the bats are upside down. the dot right there, the glue is showing. It should be behind the deer. So I did run into some errors because it is my first. And also Jack, I would have liked him to be so much sturdier. However, he's still there and he is just hanging on for dear life. However, he still looks cute. I love it. So the back of the coffin door is orange, and that's from the Boo Crew collection as well. And let's see what else. So let me flip it over so you can see the bottom, so you can see how I glued the sleigh. Okay, so let's go ahead and turn it around. So here is the back. This is a SVG file. It's a much wider box, and what it is I modified it to be very small, so it's about a ½ an inch wide. And so it I wanted something there to hold a little treat, and so I added a little treat there. The back is very simple. The bows, the ribbon is for Michael's. I made a bow there. The spider is the Spooky by Pebbles collection. This is an Inloveart shop die. I have my information there. And let's go ahead and pull the tree out. So the tree is, I made this a few videos ago, I believe. And so what it is a Jack Skeleton and Zero mini chunky charm. And I added it inside this bag, added the little jack-o'-lantern for Michael's. And so as you can see, so I did make this using all Beadcraft Babes bead kit products. And so I did use a sticker behind there to make it look really cute. And that sticker is for Michael's. And I believe it's an old sticker. I bought it about 2 years ago, so I'm not sure if you can get it anymore. So Zero is a button. I do have a video on this one explaining everything, but I think it's so cute, and I love the little box in the back. It's like a treat. All his presents are there, so he's off to gift everyone their gifts, and this is what he's gonna gift, a mini chunky jar. So that is all, you guys. I had so much fun making my first MemoryDex. Looks like I'm having a lot of firsts. And I may just make more of these. I really loved making these. I enjoyed making the Nightmare Before Christmas projects. I did make I believe a few already. Yeah, I made an album already, so that's there. And I'm loving this little MemoryDex, not so little, but 3D. And oh, the image, or the shape for the MemoryDex is a coffin box, and I just used the coffin shape for that. I will have that linked below as well. And then I do have a MemoryDex punch that punches these holes out, which I will, it's a Heidi swap punch. I'm not sure if it's available anymore, but I will see what I can do to add an alternative. But I love his head. It bobbles. Isn't that cute? Oh, Jack is cute. I love this little scene. I think it came out really cute. If I had more time, I would have done much more, but because I was so indecisive, I didn't know what to make. It was my first project, and so yeah, I think I would have added some more embellishments, charm possibly, maybe some bling here and there, just to make everything pop. But I'm pretty happy with it. Very cute little, I keep saying little, but very cute 3D MemoryDex if you're into the Nightmare Before Christmas. Well, you guys, that concludes the video, and if you have any questions, please have them linked below and I will get to you as soon as possible. All my social medias are linked below as well, and if you really need to get a hold of me, just send me a message on Instagram. And so I should reply faster than YouTube, but yeah, so this is all, you guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.